Welcome back to Primetime News. Thanks for staying with us. Members of Parliament are voicing dissatisfaction over what they say are low compensation packages for parliamentarians. Northeast St. Catherine MP Leslie Campbell and Northwest Manchester MP Michael Phillips both argue salaries are not the only concern.
Salaries are low, but my problem in some dire circumstances. For example, the insurance during your service, you don't take it with you upon retirement, or whatever there is just so low that it makes a mockery of the whole thing about service. People get the impression that parliamentarians are just there with a whole lot of money, and there's no such thing.
The salary for a parliamentarian could be more. Well, one, while serving, the health insurance itself is a mockery. Two, the pension for parliamentarians who would have served a period of their own life in service, what it is that they do get at retirement.
Both men say they are to give constituents much time they visit their constituencies, and contrary to public sentiments, it costs most politicians to serve.
Into my constituency, it cost me $1,000 to go through the toll and $1,000 back. I'm not talking about the insurance, the petrol, and when I get there, every second man that I see, his palm is turned upwards.
Or even a youth club wanting a sporting activity. How is it that you finance it? How is it that you help them to even to buy a football or even a trophy for a little corner league? If these things don't come out of your own pocket, then you have to find ways of raising funds for it.
They say it is a disincentive for many to serve, with the salary scale being among the lowest in the region, and argue that an increase is necessary along with restructuring. Non-executive MPs are paid $3.5 million annually.